Hi, lovely. My name is Victor. It's your first time of listening to me. You are welcome. And for my whole subscriber, thank you for keeping faith in me. Today I'll be talking about skilled worker visa. Yes, many persons have been asking if there are other means of migrating to the UK other than the student route. Yeah, you can migrate to the United Kingdom through the skilled worker visa. It's actually it is you are getting an employment from a licensed sponsor in any of the sector. A licensed sponsor who is eligible to sponsor skilled worker from abroad. So if you're able to get an employment from one of the eligible sponsor, yeah, you can issue a certificate of sponsorship, which will aid you in making your visa application. So in my next video, I'll be talking about the requirements, things you need to have to be able to qualify for a skilled worker visa. Thank you very much for listening to me. If this video is impactful to you, kindly click the notification, set your notification box on so that whenever I posted a video, you'll be the first to get it. Subscribe to my channel and like. Thank you.